If you've been waiting for new content on this channel, first of all, thank you for your patience. And second, I'm back, and I have a lot planned for you. Whether you're a medical coding student, a new coder just starting out, or a healthcare professional trying to get your ICD-10 skills sharp, this channel was built for you, and I'm not going anywhere. Now, I owe you a quick explanation. It's been about 2 months since my last upload. As a practicing doctor, there are seasons where clinical responsibilities take over, and that's exactly what happened. But here's something that genuinely surprised me. During those 2 months of silence, this channel kept growing. We went from 54 to over 100 subscribers. That tells me one thing. The content here has real value, and there are people out there who truly need structured, guideline-based ICD-10 education. That motivated me to come back stronger. Let me remind you what makes this channel different. Most ICD-10 content out there teaches you to memorize codes. That approach might get you through a practice test, but it will fail you in the real world. Here, we don't memorize, we think. Every topic I cover is based strictly on the official ICD-10 CM guidelines, and I walk you through the logic, the same clinical logic I use as a doctor, so you can apply it to any case, not just the ones you've seen before. That's the coding doctor difference. So what's coming? Here's a sneak peek at what I'm working on. One dedicated series on neoplasm coding. Because I know this is one of the most confusing topics for new coders, and I want to break it down completely, step by step. This is the topic you've asked about, and I'm going to deliver this in the clearest way I know how. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button because consistent, guideline-accurate ICD-10 education is exactly what this channel is about. If you've been here from the beginning, thank you. You stuck around, and I promise this channel is going to be worth your time. One last thing, drop a comment below and tell me, what ICD-10 topic confuses you the most? Your answer will directly shape what I make next. I read every comment. I'm the Coding Doctor, and class is back in session. See you in the next video.